Hello everyone, how to do it's back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add time on your Facebook story on Facebook Lite app. So you can see this is the home page or interface of Facebook Lite app. So simply click here, add to story. So once you click here, then you have to choose any photos or videos, or you can also give the text. So this time I am selecting a picture, and you can see there are some option, but you can see the option right top corner on your screen is called stickers. Okay, so simply click on sticker. Once you click the sticker, then here you will see the option location. Simply click on location, then you have to allow your location. Okay, you have to click allow, then your location will be turned on. So simply click allow. Then only allow only while using the app. So I'm just click here, and then they will show you your location. So once you like show getting this location, so it takes few time to show. Then you have to choose, or you can search any location. Like I'm searching any location USA. So this, then you can see USA and UK, or you can select your right. It takes few time to come, and then click share. Okay, once you click share, then it takes few time to add it on your timeline. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.